You are welcome to class. Today we are going to be seeing how to solve word problem that leads to simultaneous equations. Let's see the first example. Two numbers differ by 6. Twice their product gives 54. Find the numbers. So let's see how to solve that. First, we are going to represent those two numbers with two sets of variables. So let's say x and y. X and y differs by 6, can be written mathematically as x minus y equals to 6. Now, product of x and y, which is x times y, is given as xy. We are told that twice the product of x and y gives 54, meaning 2 times xy equals to 54. Okay, so x minus y equals to 6. Let's call that equation 1. 2xy equals to 54. It is equation 2. So we are going to make x the subject of the equation from equation 1. So s equals to y plus 6. We will now substitute this value in place of x into equation 2. So we are going to replace x in equation 2 with y plus 6. So see 2 open bracket y plus 6 close bracket times y equals to 54. Now we divide through by 2 and we are left with y plus 6 times y equals to 27. Let's open up the bracket now. Y times y is y squared plus 6 times y is plus 6y equals to 27. Now we'll subtract 27 from both sides and we'll have a quadratic equation. So we'll have y squared plus 6y minus 27 equals to 0. Solving this, the factors of minus 27 that add up to plus 6 are minus 3 and plus 9. And solving that quadratic equation, we have y minus 3 times y plus 9 equals to 0. So it's either y minus 3 is equals to 0, which means y is equals to 3, or y plus 9 is equal to 0, which means that y is equals to minus 9. So let's get the corresponding value of x now. So when y is 3, s will be equals to 3 plus 6, which is 9. When y is minus 9, x will be equals to minus 9 plus 6, which is minus 3. Okay, let's proceed to see another example. Example 2. One number exceeds another by 5. The sum of their squares is 157. What are the numbers? So let's see how to do this. Solution. Just like the first example, we are going to represent those numbers with some variables. So let the first number be x and let the second number be y. So from the first statement there, we can say s equals to y plus 5, which you can rewrite in form of an equation as x minus y, is equals to 5. That is equation 1. Now x squared plus y squared is equal to 157, because we are told that the sum of their squares is 157. Now from equation 1, we can make x the subject of the formula. So we have x equals to y plus 5. We substitute these values, this value into equation 2. So we have that. So let's expand the first bracket there. So y plus 5 square means y plus 5 times y plus 5. So let's expand the first bracket. Y times y is y square. Y times plus 5 is plus 5y. Plus 5 times y is plus 5y, and 5 times 5 is 25. So if we add up the y square plus y square is 2y square. 5y plus 5y is 10y. Then plus 25 minus 157 is minus 132. So let's divide through those three terms by 2. So we divide by 2 just to simplify. So we now have a quadratic equation which we are going to factorize. The factors of minus 66 that add up to plus 5 are minus 6 and plus 11. So we are going to replace the middle term with it and we simplify further. We have y minus 6 times y plus 11 equals to 6. So our y is 6 or 11. So when y is 6, we get the corresponding value of x. X is 11. When y is minus 11, we get the corresponding value of our x. X will be equal to minus 6. So the numbers are 6 and 11, minus 6 and minus 11. So there are some questions here just to see how well you've understood today's lesson. Thank you.